Every day is today, because by tomorrow it will still be today. Which sounds like a pretty valid argument to delay this video by a week. And you are probably wondering why you haven't seen me on stage for quite a while, maybe even a month. I'm here now, you happy? Now instead of rigging me, I'm gonna animate some animations of my emotions. Kinda like those YouTubers, short YouTubers, maybe? This is a very long intro, we should get into the video right now.